Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to say thank you so much for 98 followers on Roblox. And yeah, so last night I think I had 51 and today I have 98. Just want to thank you all so much. And yeah, guys, we're gonna play some tower. And see if I could be good at it. Okay, let's try to be good at it. Okay. I don't like this one, that it's a little slow. I'd like it if it was just a little faster. How? I'm horrible at tower. But I hate slow levels. I can't get up. Okay. Go. Oh, I thought one of my friends were on. I was like, wait, what? And then we go this way. Oh god. No, I was gonna jump! Okay. I guess I have to do this all over again. This really boring stage. This really slow and boring stage. I just dropped my mic. Oh my god. I just dropped my mic. Oh my gosh. How do I always die there? I'm horrible. Oh, and you buy extra time. Oh well. How did I just fall? Okay. Now we jump. And then we jump over that. Oh god, I thought I was gonna touch it. Oh, no. Wait, I like her hair. Wait. Oh, it's just that hair. Okay. I don't know why people are so good at tower and I'm just like horrible at it. You never know. Probably because they're like level 1,000,000. And then, yeah. No. I need to stop dying there. Probably gonna keep on dying and dying. Oopsies. And then, I just missed it. Guys, we're gonna pause it right here and then we'll see how far I got. Okay guys, we didn't make it anywhere, but they're already speeding, so this round's gonna end in like 30 seconds, so yeah. We're not gonna make it, but we're just gonna try. Yeah, we're not gonna make it. Okay, now let's go up here and go up there. No, 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 why are they doing this torture? No. Oh god, oh god. No, I shouldn't have did that. Why are they doing this? I might just join a different server then. We're just gonna try this first. Why'd they get high speed? That's like my least favorite thing, is high speed in this game. Oh well. We'll just still try to make it. Come on. Oh well. We will go. No. Okay, and then oh god. Okay guys, we made it on the next level. What are we supposed to do? Platforming. Oh, this. Okay, this one's actually orange, but it's blue. My skin tone is blue. Maybe I was orange before. Oh, this one. Probably might die with high speed on it. But, oh well. We'll just join a new tower server thing. I don't like the color of the green on my rainbow trail. Oh yes, we did pass this one. What is this one? Whoopsies. What is this one? Oh yeah, this one. Oh god, I might die with high speed. Look how far you jump with high speed though. I bet this one is dark red because I do remember this stage. Jeez, I have one more stage to go after this. Oh yes, this one's so easy. Okay guys, let's hope I don't die though. Let's go. Yes guys, we are gonna make it, I bet. Whoopsies. Whoopsies, what am I doing? Okay. We made it, guys. Whoa, look how fast I'm going. Ooh, I love it if this fire was actually blue like that. That's like a nice color. Whee. Ah, no, 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 no. Oh well, guys, at least we got the credits. I'm gonna leave this server and join a new one. And yeah. Is one of my friends in here? Oh yeah. One of my friends are in here, so oh well, we'll just wait. I'm gonna pause this, so yeah. Guys, I just figured out if you leave and join, and then you get up to like whatever, to where it gives you credits. It actually gives you more credits even though you got it last time you joined. So then you could just keep rejoining and joining. Yeah, just keep rejoining and then you'll get more credits on the same exact round. No! Oh well, there's 50 seconds left, so let's just go. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. What's happening? Wait. It's like when it's foggy up there, you can't even see a thing. Like, yeah, I see the lasers. It's so cool, but they're like white. Ooh, this stage is really... I just jinxed it. It's really easy and fun. Ooh, oop. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna go. This one's easy if you just land on the, like, right spot. Oh god, oh god. Okay. Oh. Ooh, I love this one. This is like the best stage ever and the funnest. Oh, oh my god. That is gonna just fall right there. Oh no, 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 no. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and follow me. I want to see who followed me though. Iceman and Niji one. I think some of these noobs might be bots, but oh well guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, bye-bye.